50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
6:15 Friday morning. Taking off at 8:30. So in a little over 2 hours, we're going to be in the air flying down to Dallas Alliance, just to the north of Fort Worth there, to the northwest of Dallas. We're going to spend the night, leave the next day very, very late. I'll see you guys at the airport. We're ready to go. We just need some people now. It is getting humid out here, though. Very humid. Should be nice in Dallas, partly cloudy. 7 people, so it'll be a little crowded in here, but short flight, hour and 35 minutes. It won't be bad. Yeah, that's just this slide out tray for the refreshment center. You can see the camera there. That's how that works. 45, just what we wanted. Minimums. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5. Okay, it's all cleaned up. Last thing I do before I leave the airplane is I check 4 switches in the cockpit: the master, emergency lights, passenger safety, and standby power, because they can start draining batteries. Boy, it's getting noisy out there. Okay, let me grab my bag here. Are they? Okay. Yes. So go over Enterprise. Thank you. This is a lot of rental cars here. All right. This one. This one. All right, here's our home away from home. We're gonna check in and then get some lunch. Try to do this with 2 hands. I need 3. Okay, first impressions. Yeah, it'll work. It'll work. Absolutely. Put this one up here. This one there. Go check out the view. Okay. Oh, you can see for miles. There's Fort Worth down there. Not bad. Okay, we're going to change clothes here. Go find something to eat. Looks like there's some places really close by over here.
Cheeseburger. There's a fan for you right there. Yeah.
We'll leave at 23:45. The sun's going to be coming up pretty soon. There's a walkway over there. So I'm going to get my exercise. Time to check out this walking path back here. I forgot my ball cap, so I'm handicapped. Exercise is good.
It makes you hate the person you've turned into.
Walking with my shadow.
I could have swore you loved me more.
Here's the hotel back here, the courtyard where we're staying at. 80 knots. 81 BR.
Lions Tower, good evening. Jet right 58.
Positive record.
Gear up, please.
Selected.
Jet right 58, Alliance. Tower awaiting IFR release.
Pull this
Flaps up, yaw damper on.
All right.
Got them back?
Yeah, I did. Engaged. Flaps are cracking up.
Over Niner uniform. Contact regional departure.
Or departure in uniform. Let it go.
Regional departure. Citation under uniform is out of 2,400 for 3,000 runway heading.
9 uniform departure radar contact. Turn left heading 010. Climb maintain 900,000.
Left to 010. Climb maintain 900,000 for 9 uniform.
Air Shuttle 5938. DFW is off your right side. 8 miles. Report when you have insight.
Evidence Friday, Air Shuttle 5938.
Air Shuttle 5938. 150 for visual approach. Runway 18.
Up to 9,000. 150, please for division on 18 right, Air Shuttle 5938.
November 9 Mike Charlie. Climb maintain 900,000.
I said 900,000, tell Mike Charlie.
Air Shuttle 5938. Contact DFW tower on 124.15. Good day.
124.15, good day.
Hey, landing gear is up. Flaps are up. Throttles are set. Yaw damper is engaged.
Target 2609. Flighting 110. Trying to maintain 5,000.
Ignition is norm.
Heading 110 down to 5,000, American 2609.
That's your safety zone. Pressurization is good. Altimeter set. Recog lights. NISD, and APU whenever you're ready.
This is not a uniform. Contact departure 126.47.
4647 in uniform.
Number 9 Mike Charlie. Climb maintain 110.
There's a racetrack right there.
Center 127.
Oh, yeah.
1111. Regional departure, citation under uniform is out of 6,300 for 9,000.
Citation under uniform, regional departure, thank you. And proceed direct to Kuna, maintain 10,000 for traffic.
Direct to Kuna, maintain 10,000 for 9 uniform.
Flaps full, please. Selected. Yaw damper to go.
1,000.
Spirit traffic citation under uniform is turning final for 26 left, Spirit.
Oh yeah, they're getting some fog on the ground.
500.
Spirit traffic citation, 9 uniform short final for 26 left, Spirit.
Yaw's away. Runway checklist complete.
300.
I don't see anybody down there.
No, it looks clear.
200. Minimums.
Yeah, there's a fog layer we just went right through.
50. 40. 30. 20. 10. 5.
Speed brakes, please.
Selected. That was nice.
Thank you.